Hello, in front of me I've got Sony SRS-XE200. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your speaker. Firstly, let's turn the speaker on. And right here we've got the charge indicator. Thanks to this indicator you'll be able to check how much battery is already charged. If you want to check the current battery level, press BAT button. After you press it, you'll hear the voice indication with current battery level. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.